Hi, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we will see how to configure the workflow for the reimbursement approval. Whenever the employee raises claims, it will go to the reporting manager for official approval, and then for final approval, it will go to the finance manager. To assign the reporting manager, click Transactions. Click Assign Reporting Manager under Core HR. Click Map Reporting Manager. Select the criteria, enter the employee code or the name, and map the reporting manager from the drop-down. Click Save, and your details are saved successfully. Now to map the finance manager, on the home page, click Transactions. Click Reimbursements under Spend Loan Management. Click Assign Reimbursement Approver under Configure. Select the locations under Unassigned Location. Select the role as Finance and select the name from the drop-down. Click Assign, and your details are saved successfully. You can assign the following roles for finance approval, that is, HR, Finance, and Employer. To provide screen permissions, go to Transactions. Go to Security Access Rights, click Permission. Click Set Permission under Workflow. Select the role type. Select the menu. Select the screens and set the permission accordingly and click Save. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.